Okay, so this is glycerin and it's being used on movie sets, commercials to create those fake droplets on, for example, a soda can or a model's face. We are going to be using it during a portrait shoot in today's video, and believe it or not, I literally bought this at our local supermarket for $6, and this is so simple to use and you can easily try it at home as well. So I've gathered some inspiration, found our model, and we're ready to go. For this photo shoot, we're gonna be using plexiglass because I think it would be so cool to spray the glycerin on there. So I asked Mike to put some graffiti letters all over the plexiglass to give it a bit more of an edgy look. Then it was time to set up our lighting. And for this, I'm just gonna be using 2 lights.
Lights leaning against the Nikon right there, orange. And then we have a blue one here.
And I was just in time with setting it all up because our model arrived and we started shooting.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I never heard of it at all, ever.
So we started off spraying the glycerin on the plexiglass, and for that we needed a little spray bottle and we needed to mix the glycerin with water because it's quite a thick liquid. I have no measurements for this, I just winged it and it worked. Oh, whoa.
Ooh. Yeah, that's it. Nice.
Yeah. This is the look I wanted.
That looks epic.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
right?
that looks dope.
And for this photo shoot, I'm shooting on my 105mm from Sigma f2.8. And this was actually the first time I was trying out this lens, and it was perfect for it because it really gave me that compressed look I was going for. And for this, I was using manual focus just because I wanted to focus on Maddie's face and not on the droplets. The thing is with playing with lighting, it's freaking awesome, but it's also very hard because at the moment I'm using 2 different colors, so they don't really blend together because they will hit here and here, but this will be shadow. So I'm using a fill light to sort of blend these colors together and get rid of that shadow part in her face. Yes. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
I was done playing with this setup. I wanted to try something new. So I used one of those pipettes, one of these. I put some glycerin in there and then we can like make little drips, but they will stay where I put them. So that's great because I want to place them under Maddie's eye. I think that'd be great for a close-up shot. But look, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so I'm currently editing the video and I completely forgot to add that glycerin has also been used on me during a fitness video. As you can see here, this is not real sweat, this is glycerin as well. But now you have a good understanding of what it actually does. Back to the video. I was like, well, we already put it on her face. Why not go all out and just grab the spray bottle and just spray it all over her face and her chest? It is completely safe to get this onto your face or body. It is actually meant for your body. It says supports skin hydration, but definitely keep your eyes closed when you spray it on your model's face because it does sting a little bit when it gets in your eye.
Ooh, that's really pretty.
And these are all the shots we got, even though we just used one single simple setup, but we still got a nice range of different shots. Then, all of these photos are edited with my Lightroom presets. You can find my preset pack in the description, alongside all the gear I used for this photo shoot as well, so yeah. I really want to thank Maddie for modeling. She did such an amazing job. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye! Doei!